Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of small bedroom optimization. Discover how to maximize every inch of your space for a bedroom that combines style and functionality. Let's get started. Multifunctional furniture is a game changer in small bedrooms. Look for beds with built-in storage, fold-down desks, and ottomans with hidden compartments to save space and keep your room organized. Make the most of your vertical space with wall-mounted shelves and organizers. This strategy increases your storage capacity and keeps the floor clear for a more spacious feeling. Mirrors can magically make your bedroom feel larger and more open. Strategic placement will reflect light and visually double your space. Don't overlook the potential of underbed storage. It's perfect for storing seasonal clothing, shoes, and more, keeping your bedroom clutter-free. Light colors can visually expand your space, making your bedroom appear larger and more welcoming. Opt for pale walls and furniture to brighten up your room. It's always great in your show. Innovative hidden storage solutions can keep your belongings neatly out of sight. Look for beds with headboard storage and furniture with secret compartments. A minimalist approach can help your small bedroom feel more spacious. Choose a few statement pieces and keep the decor simple and clutter-free. Floating shelves and tables not only save valuable floor space, but also add a modern touch to your bedroom. They're perfect for storage and display. Customize your storage with modular systems that fit your exact needs and space. These versatile solutions can evolve with your changing requirements. Thank you for watching. We hope these tips help you create the small bedroom of your dreams. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the video description for more useful links. See you in the next video.